everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's still Benny of Free Benny's Kitchen. Today we are going to Aqua Cross to bring you this Obonge, original, authentic, super yummy Ekpang Nkukwo. Ekpang Nkukwo. If you are from Calabar or Cross Rivers, Akwa Ibom, you know this food. It's a very, very special delicacy. It is so yummy, so sweet, but the work in this food no be here oh. So most times instead of cooking this food I get so scared, so I cook it once in a while in my house, though it's very, very nutritious and very, very yummy. But today I'm going to teach you how I prepare Ekpang Nkukwo in my kitchen. On the table I have what to prepare Ekpang Nkukwo. Here I have my water yam, cocoa yam. This cocoa yam is not ede, not the one to thickening soup like oha or bitter leaf soup. And you have the red and the white one. This one is the white cocoa yam. I have my onions, then my peppers for coloring, palm oil. In this plate, I have chopped goat meat, kanda, cow skin, we are going to be using. Then I have periwinkle. I'm using the unshelled periwinkle. This periwinkle, before you use it, you have to cut the bottom. You have to cut the bottom, that is where the dirt is, so you have to cut it and wash it thoroughly, as much as when the water is so clear. You have to wash it that way. Then I have my crayfish, it's already blended, salt, Cameroon pepper, bouillon cube. Then I'll be using dry fish. Then I'll be using some scent leaf. Scent leaf will take it to another level. You know how wonderful the smell of scent leaf is, so I'm going to be adding it. Then I'm using ugu leaves to wrap. You can use green to wrap or cocoyam leaves to wrap. Then in this bowl, I've already grated some cocoyam and water yam. Like I said before, this food takes a lot of time, so I don't want to spend all my time in the kitchen today. That's why I have to prep everything I'm going to be using. So I've already grated some cocoyam and water yam here, but I left this one so I can teach those who do not know how to grate, so that they will know how to grate when they want to prepare. But somebody said they can use a yam food processor. I've not really tried that. I don't know how good it's going to be. So I'm going to do this one locally all the way. So guys, join me. Let us prepare this meal together. So guys, first of all, I'll just slice these onions and then the pepper. But you can use your small mortar to pound, or you can use your blender to blend, but I just want it to be coarsely done so you can see it when the food is ready. At times when you go to parties and there is Ekpang Nkukwo on the menu, you see people rushing it because it's not something you prepare in your house all the time, you know. So guys, today Ekpang Nkukwo we must eat in this house. So I'm done chopping the onions and pepper, so I'll gently peel the water yam and the cocoa yam. So when you're cutting your water yam, you have to put them inside water so it doesn't change color. Back then, when they want to prepare ekpang in a house, you see a person running away because this thing can spoil your fingernails when you are grating it. By the time you are done, you see that your fingers are badly wounded. But when you think of the food that it's so sweet, you wouldn't mind. You just go ahead and do the work you are asked to do. So I'm done peeling the remaining water yam. Now I'll just peel the cocoyam. You can see this one is white inside. Some of them, when you are peeling, it turns to red. That is the red one. This one is the white one. You can use that red one if you don't see this one. But I prefer to use this so that the inside of the ekpang will be so white. So I'm done peeling. I'll take it over to the sink, wash thoroughly, then I'll come and start grating. So I'm about grating the water yam and the cocoyam. This is my grater I'm using. So you check the smallest part of the grater. That's what you are going to use to grate. The smallest part. So this is water yam. I'm going to be using the cocoyam first. Then I now finish with the water yam. So this is what you have to do. Sorry, I have cold. This is where the work is. Before you finish grating this thing, your hand might start itching, or not might be itching when you are done. But I've not tried using blender or food processor. Maybe one of these days I'll try it. And if it works for me, better, to now reduce the stress of this grating of cocoyam and water yam. If you have tried it with the food processor, please let me know in the comment section. So now I'm grating the water yam. You can see how slimy the water yam is. So guys, I'm done grating. So I'll take this one that I just did now and add to the other one there. They will now start the process of wrapping where the work is. Ekpang Nkukwo no be for mouth, so it is in the doing. So now I'll add in some Cameroon pepper, dry Cameroon pepper, so that inside of it will have taste. I'll add in some crayfish, then bouillon cube, then I'll add in some salt. And I'll combine everything together very, very well. I don't know if this stick and do it for me. I'll just wear my hand glove and use my hand to do it because I want it to have taste. Okay, I can manage with this. So now I'll just taste it a bit to know if there's salt. Look, I'll just add some more salt, but the pepper is enough. And I'll keep turning it. So this is what I have here. When I've inhaled pepper. My people, work has started though. Yeah. I pray I don't sleep here today. But well, let's continue. Let's continue. So this is the periwinkle. It's some. I'll just add it to the base of the pot. You add it to the base of the pot so it doesn't stick. The cocoyam, when wrapped, doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. So there's some water. Let me move the water I have here. I've added that one there. So the wrapping begins. So periwinkle is at the bottom of the pot. So I'm now adding some palm oil. When the process of this food there, wait, think about it. You don't want to prepare this thing. The process is too much. So if you don't want to forget any of your ingredients, prepare them well so I don't forget. So now the wrapping begins. This is ugu leaf. You know ugu leaf has 3 sides. So you cut it one by one. And you don't have to cut to be too big, just medium size. So I put like this, then you start rolling it, wrapping it like this, drop it in here. This is what I'm going to do until I finish wrapping all the cocoyam and water yam mixed together. Somebody should come and help me. It's not easy. So guys, you can see I'm halfway done wrapping the cocoyam and the water yam. Now I'll pause a bit, add in some of the fish, then some of the chunk of meat, some onions and some pepper, then some crayfish, and then the bouillon cube. Then I'll continue wrapping. When I'm done wrapping, I'll now add the remaining chunk of meat, fish, pepper, crayfish. Then I'll now add boiling water to it so it can hold them together. Then I'll start cooking so it doesn't scatter. The reason why you pour in hot water because the hot water helps to hold it together. If you use cold water, the whole thing might just scatter inside the pot. That is why you use hot water for it. So I'm done with this one now, and then I'll just continue wrapping again. And cooking. So guys, this is what we have here. So I like to cook for like 20 minutes. I'll cover the pot. I like to cook for 20 minutes. I'll come and check it. But before I cover my pot, please, and you've been following me, just pause a while, press that subscribe button, keep liking, keep sharing, give the video a thumbs up, share to your families, share to your friends. Thank you. So now I'll slice in the scent leaf because I'm going to add it towards the end of the cooking. Then this remaining ugu too, I'll slice and add it in there. So let me just slice and wait until I'm ready to put them inside the pot. This scent leaf will change the game of this Ekpang cocoa. So you have to slice thinly. My people, this is after 20 minutes of cooking. You can see the face of our Ekpang cocoa. So now I'll just add the scent leaf, then add the remaining ugu leaves. Then I'll stir, check for salt, then I'll put off the heat. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is nose blocking. Whoa. Our Ekpang cocoa is ready. Bring your plate if you want some. I don't want the vegetables to be overcooked, so I'll test for salt and I'll off the gas. The salt is okay. I won't add more, so I don't spoil it. Guys, please liking. Please keep liking, keep sharing. Give this video a thumbs up, on your bell so you'll be the first to see my new videos. I'll put off the heat now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye bye.